We're two men with two hearts and two rice cookers, but just one dream, to answer that question by blind tasting a variety of dishes.
Okay, boys, behind you are two rice cookers. On Rhett's side is the low price point option. That is the Aroma Rice Cooker, a trusted brand, which costs $19.86.
That's a steal!
And on Link's side is the high price point option from, I'm gonna mess this up, Zojiroshi.
You nailed it!
Zojirushi.
You nailed it!
Both
A
times.
Japanese brand widely considered to make the best rice cookers for $200, $199.
Whoa.
Both have the same capacity. 3
Move the
cups.
decimal much.
Yeah.
This one has a handle so you can pick it up and carry it like a bucket. You got a handle? You got side handles over here?
You
How would
gotta
you-
have two
how would you
hands to
even
use
pick
that
up?
one.
This one's got a glass lid and it's,
Why are you so rough with it?
what is this? It's $20.
What?
So we got this that's washable. We've got this that goes on it. We got that goes in there. Looks like a crock pot to me. This one, you open that up like that, you take this out, and boy, look. It's
That's
got
$200 worth.
it's got all types of measurements.
Now it says sushi in there. So I see that we've got sushi
Yeah.
in front of us.
You
So,
add
yes,
different types of water. And
The Mythical Kitcheneers used both rice cookers to make the salmon nigiri in front of you. So you're gonna
I'm
taste
still.
both.
Hold on, Stevie. I don't want to be distracting.